murders and other heinous acts on the internet for all to see.
Yeah, I think so actually.
This activity to thrive
oh, it's a Unidad base right here.
In our country.
Is that fucking heavy too? Well, if it's bigger than the opening, then it would have to stop.
We have seized the cash from the cartel in the name of the people. We will use this money to assist needy citizens in our rural areas, and a portion will be used to fund rebel.
Tagging them. Yeah, the funny is what happened to the train rips there. I mean, I was watching. They did all sorts of weird shit.
Out.
Yeah, bigger trucks. Hold on.
Taking the car, matter of national security.
Wow, what a fucking leap.
Shitballs.
The end of the boss trucks.
I asked the rebels to send over a vehicle for us.
Oh no! I'll be there in a sec. What? Did you crash? Did you crash it? I killed you. Well, this truck is still there and burned out. Let's see what happened. See where I am? I'm a buzz. That big ass blown up truck's still there. That's two of them. There you go. Good luck moving that shit. Oh my god, look at all this crashed helicopter in here. There's no getting out either. I'm trapped. I'm trapped. Oh crap. Shitballs. It'll just make a big fiery mess.
Need your car, brother. Out.
There we go. get out, run quick. Don't kill them. Don't kill them because it will respawn you. There it goes! I killed my ass. That's too funny. Yeah, I don't think there's any way we can.
Son of a bitch.